In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Excel file extension. So the Excel file you have can be opened in the very old version of Microsoft Office. Let me show you example. So here we have a folder which holds Excel files in the latest version of Excel format. And what our software will do, it will load this file into the memory and save it in old Excel file format. It might lose some formatting options because they do not exist in the old version of Excel, but it doesn't matter because all we want to do is to be able to open it. Okay, let's start from creating a new workflow. Call it change Excel files extension. Next step is to add a loop. We are going to be looping over the files in the folder. To select the files. And since we are going to be looping over multiple files, I need to set up a mask. So I need to set the variable. Call it file. And the next step is to add change Excel extension. So we just add it, link it, and we need to set that the file name is variable. It's called file. And we need to select the folder. To save the files, we will be using the same folder. We need to send extension, and extension is we want to override the files. Okay, let's run it and see what happens. Okay, let's go back to the directory. Slight problem here. So what I need to do, I need to add dot. Let's do it again. Like this. Run it. All done, and as you can see, the file size is different. Try to open it. And here we have a file in the old format. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or struggling with transforming Excel files, and our software can do a lot with Excel files, please go to support forum and ask your questions there, and we will do our best to help you. Thank you and bye.